everyone, welcome to our video. If you are new to our channel, I am Rizvana. Today we are going to draw a floral with only two colors, white and purple. First of all, as you can see, I am giving a purple background, but I really don't like this vibrant purple. So I thought about adding some white to it and make it neutral. I'm really happy how the color turns out. Then I take white metallic and white normal acrylic color for the flowers. Here I am giving white color for everything, leaves, stem, flower, butterflies and everything. Whatever I draw, it will be white. And as for the flowers and all, here I am using C6 round brush, and just load your brush with generous amount of white color and draw your flowers. First you practice this flower 2-3 times before you are going to draw, because in one stroke painting the practice is the key point, because the way the brush goes and the pressure you are applying is all important. So first of all practice it for 2-3 times, then you can go for it. The white acrylic metallic color looks so beautiful with the purple. The camera didn't give any justice to it because it's so beautiful. The shimmery shiny effect with the purple background is so beautiful. Finally, I am adding cute little butterfly, and that's my favorite part because I really love the butterfly, how it turns out. And that's it. Be very careful while removing the masking tape. It may damage your paper or your work. Hope you all love this tutorial. See you on another video. Thanks for watching.